Today we're going to give you a biohack that focuses on the benefits received from changing some simple daily movements.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Carl. We're Clear Impact, biohacking for beginners. We help you calm your mind,
Live with more cognitive and physical energy,
and live life with more vitality.
If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks.
So we all know that movement and exercise are good for us. Why is it that so many of us find it difficult to get up off the couch and get to the gym or do that exercise program?
Yeah, I remember so many gym memberships that I bought in the past, and most of them left me feeling frustrated and guilty.
Right.
Yeah.
And well, let's go back to the history of it. I mean, we evolved moving. We were hunter-gatherers and we craved that rest time. We needed that rest time to recover. So instinctively, we've got this urge, and studies show this, instinctively we've got this urge to be in that rest state. And so we're on the couch, it's hard to get out of that. And also, other studies have shown that we get uncomfortable with what exercise does to us. You know, that uncomfortable feeling when we start to sweat, when our heart rate starts to rise. And that's not something that we crave, even though we know at the end of it, it's gonna feel good, right?
Yeah, you know, it's just a natural survival instinct. We've got this beautiful nervous system that runs off of this, especially the autonomic part, which is the fight or flight and the rest and digest. So we're not back in the cave time days, and now here we are, you know, at a real high level of sedentary lifestyle that's, you know, it's got an impact on us.
Right. Back then, we were exercising like crazy, hunting and gathering, you know, climbing mountains and looking for food.
Yeah.
And now we sit behind desks, we're on the computer. The human body is not built to be sitting.
Yeah.
It's built to be moving, right?
No, and we're not adapting. We can see this.
So we're getting back problems. We're overweight.
Yeah.
We're, you know, a lot of our lack of movement or lack of good functional movement is really impacting our health and our vitality, right?
Yeah, and you know, and then we hear the messages of, okay, well, go buy a gym membership or start doing a massive big program of some kind, and you know, that's not what we're talking about here, and it's not supportive for us to think we go from the couch to all of a sudden now being some sort of an Olympic athlete. There has to be some way to get the body started.
Right, and we know a lot of you out there exercise all the time, and we do. We've got different forms of exercise that we love.
Yeah.
But there are some certain aspects of movement, and what we want to focus on today is some simple biohacks to change your daily movement, which is going to start to help you get back to that sense of vitality and maybe move you towards a program of exercise that's suitable for you.
Yeah, the beauty of this is that the body knows what to do. We just have to ease our way into it. If we start to try and bite off way more than we're able to achieve, then you go through this kind of mental process. And this is what I experienced for sure. When I was pre-diabetic and I was buying all the different gym memberships, I kept thinking, well, I'm just going to start hitting the gym hard. And that led to me missing a day or two. And I just got so frustrated and guilty, and I lived inside my head around this.
Right.
So we want to avoid that.
Right.
You know, and so many of the biohacks that we provide at Clear Impact are ones that are supposed to be easy to implement to get you to get this lift in cognitive energy so that you know you then have a choice. And that's what we're going to share with you today.
Right. First biohack, take the stairs. The escalators, the elevators are doing us no good. We can take the stairs and get where we're going just as quickly, but we're getting a little exercise. We're getting the heart rate up a little bit if it's more than one floor. Great little biohack. I've been doing that for 10, 15 years when I was overweight, and it helped me start to shed those pounds and be mindful of it.
Awesome. Number 2, now, when you go to park your car anywhere you're going, don't look for the closest spot. Actually, look for the farthest away spot. I know that's counterintuitive from what the mind is telling you, but park far away. And then when you get out of your car, be mindful of the fact that you now are giving yourself a beautiful act of self-care, of self-love, because you're now having that nice, beautiful walk to the front of wherever you're going.
Third biohack. If you sit behind a desk, you're at a computer, you're living that sedentary lifestyle at work, get up out of your desk every 30 minutes and walk around, do an exercise, do some stretching, set a little alarm for yourself on your phone to remind yourself to do that. There you got 3 really basic but really powerful biohacks to increase your movement, your functional movement through the day.
So now your Clear Impact Challenge. For the next 7 days, you're going to do all 3 of those biohacks, and then share with us in the comments section below if you have any questions, comments, or what your results were. We want to hear from you.
And we love learning from you, the community. So if you have other functional movement activities you do, share those as well.
And thanks for watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks.
And if you know someone that could benefit from this biohack, share it with them.
We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind,
increase your cognitive and physical energy,
and live with more vitality. Oh yeah.